Me sleeping you area. No, 1 minute. You know my brother?
Me no malum you.
And you
Today me first time me see you.
you girls?
Huh?
You girls?
I said
You girls?
I don't know you.
Why I don't know you me?
You malum me?
Huh? Yeah, malum.
Me no malum you.
And you
No,
you know girls, bro, and one area sleeping no problem. Only 2 days.
no malum you.
And me no girls, you know girls, only boy no problem.
I said me no malum you. You malum me?
Yeah, too much
Ibrahim,
malum.
you malum this guy?
Yeah. You malum?
Huh?
You have my permission. My big boss Ibrahim.
Ibrahim have this bed?
No problem, Ibrahim upset. Ibrahim 2 manzal.
No problem. Me have knife here. You sleep. No.
Okay, you know, me not sleeping in this area.
You sleep. I have knife inside. You sleep.
You know, good boy. Okay, me sleeping your area, you night time, you cutting me?
Morning time you know wake up. You sleep no
You
problem.
know, good boy. Okay, sleeping, go. Push, small push.
Huh?
No problem. You cutting
no
me?
problem, you
Okay. Okay.
Why online?
Okay, wait. Only 5 minutes sleeping your area, no problem.
No.
Only 5 minutes, no?
No.
What happened, bro?
No.
In this area, I'm sleeping.
Fridge inside go.
Fridge is cool too much.
Okay. Good.
I'm sleeping kaka area.
Why you sleeping? You go.
I don't know. You not sleeping?
Why you online?
Light, no problem. You not sleeping me? You come my room, you sleeping my area, no problem.
No. You area no like.
Why you not like my area? I sleeping your area, no problem.
Hey.